Welcome to this quick guide on how to connect NineFocus to LabX. We assume that you have a LabX installation and that you have sufficient access rights to it. Prepare your meter for LabX connection. Start by connecting your meter to the network using an Ethernet cable. Go to Setup, then System Settings and select Instrument. Access User Management, choose Basic and save your settings. The system will restart, and default shortcuts will disappear. Then go to Setup, System Settings, User Management, Account Policies, then tick Enforce Password, and for convenience, we also select Show Users on Login screen here, but this is optional. Log out and log in again. The administrator account should now appear on the users list. Log in using the default password, and then set a new password. Connect to LabX. Go to Setup, System Settings, LabX and tick Connect to LabX. Enter the domain name, which is the link you used to access LabX in your browser, and save. Confirm the info and then click OK again to proceed. Now your meter will show the login screen of LabX. Use your username and password to log in. During registration, change the name of your meter so you can easily find it later. Let's name it NineFocus Example, and then press OK. Finally, on your laptop, go to LabX application in the browser, navigate to LabX Apps, then Resources, and select Instruments and Resources. To find the instrument, you can apply the category filter, pHMeater. When you have found the instrument, you can click on it to see detailed information. Now your NineFocus is connected to LabX. If you want to learn more, make sure to check out the other videos.